In this video, we're going to go over how to add page titles, meta descriptions, and a share image to each page on your website. So we're going to start with the home page. You can click home, you can click page and click home up here. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see page info. You're going to come down here to SEO settings. So right here, we can add a page title. I've pulled up a show it help doc as well. So I will have this linked below this video. So it kind of goes through an example of what this looks like exactly. So page title. So here we could have so this is where I would put your biggest keyword. So location and the type of photography, or if you are a creative, the type of creative business you have, anything that would be one of your main keywords, I would add that in here. And then you're going to have the meta description. So this is around 150 to 168 characters. And so if we look at our example here, this is the description of the page and is typically included as the paragraph under a search result that describes the content of the page. So this is where we want to have helpful information that lets people know what is going to be on this website. We can also add in keywords that kind of flow more naturally here. So again, location, where do you travel worldwide, maybe the types of clients that you serve, all of that information can be put right here. And then here we have a share image. So we can go through, and when anybody shares this URL, this is the image that will pop up next to it, or also in search engines. For the other pages, you can do the same process. So it's going to be in the same location on every single page. When we get to the gallery pages, so if we have gallery 1, so for example, let's rename. You can see the page slug here. So this is also going to be the URL. So if you want the URL to say something more descriptive, that is where you're going to update right here. Now, if you do change the name, it can break existing links. So you'll just want to make sure if you make any name changes here that you're updating where this page is linked. Now, if we go over here to the SEO settings, the page title does not have to be the same as the slug that you see here. So this could be something else that has maybe another keyword in it. If the gallery already is like an awesome keyword title, that could be the same as the page title and the URL if you want that to be. Again, only 60 characters will show, and then you'll update the meta description, so a brief description of this gallery, and then add in a share image. And then you'll repeat the process for all of these. The only ones we have is 404, so for this, you don't need to have the SEO settings. We can ask Google to ignore this page, and we can do that for the coming soon page and the blog 404. So you'll select that. I will see you on the next one.